Sorry about that. All right, let's move on to the back. We got some ham, some pig ham. We got also like the peel of an avocado with the family. We got some jam, strawberry. We got some more jam. We got some. Whoa, that's a big block of butter. Another one of these. This one's almost empty. Some cheese. A bottle of water, an avocado cut in half but not separated. It's like weird. It's just cut, as you can see. We got some sweetened milk, condensed milk. We got some yogurt, Greek strawberry. That's delicious. We got some blocks of butter with salt. Is this one with salt as well? Oh yes, they're both with salt. Let's put the ham back. We got some. Ooh, now this is nice. We got some gnocchi, potato gnocchi. That's nice. We got a bottle of Kraft mayo. This is the good one. This is really good Kraft mayo. We got an old apple. It's got lots of marks. I'm not judging. Mine are like that as well. We got some whole lemons, 3 of them. We got another old apple. This one's got, ooh, look at that. It's got some, yeah, that's interesting. We got a bottle of Coke Zero. This one's good. I've been having it non-stop since I arrived because I'm thirsty. We got some old bananas. We got 3 of them. We got some lettuce, a bag of lettuce, an old cabbage, like a quarter of it. There's the other half of the cabbage, some cilantro, pepinos, and more cilantro. Just a bag of leafy greens because they're healthy like that, you know. You gotta take care of yourself, even though they look kind of old. I'm guessing they haven't eaten them in a long time. But you know, no judging, I'm the same. We got some peaches, maybe. Spring onions, of course, for guacamole. More peaches. There's just a lot of peaches over there. We got a cucumber. That's nice. We got a red apple this time. Not old, it looks fine. Perfectly good. I'm gonna have it later. We got some aloe vera. We got some red lettuce. We got some more lemons down here. Just an old lemon. We got another old lemon here. No, this one's fine. This one is just a normal lemon. Some more spring onions. Just a lot of spring onions and onions. Normal onions. Just, yeah, it's just a fine fridge. Maybe with more old food than it's expected, but you know, no judging. Let's move on to the freezer, or how I call it, the second fridge, or the freezy fridge. We got some meats, beef. We got some fish, salmon. We got some hot dogs for whenever there's a party. Oh my god, what is this? It's like a Ziploc bag, frozen Ziploc bag filled with chicken, frozen chicken. Just a closed frozen bag, Ziploc container full of chicken. Some burgers, classic. I'm guessing those are for day to day. We got some strawberries, frozen. Ooh, that's nice. That's some. We got half Bills and Pap ice cream. I wonder what half it is. It is the Bills half. They ate the pap and left it here. Some frozen carrots in a bag. Got some spring salad mix, frozen. Some legumes. more meats, some corn, frozen, more frozen corn, blueberries, nice, some frozen broccoli. So yeah, let's move on to the third part. We got some burgers, another burger, beef, and lots of beef from Unimark. So yeah, that's that's my cousin Cookie's fridge. I have to go because he just arrived. He's looking at me funny. So yeah, next up might be your fridge, but who knows? Let's just check the pantry. Just a quick look. Over here we got some juice, powdered juice, some powder stuff. So yeah, next time might be your fridge. So yeah, stay tuned for Family Fridge Raiders. Gonna make an outro song. No, leave me alone.